For today's video, maglalakad po kami sa Amerika. Ayun nga pala, nasa Amerika na tayo. Parang Pilipinas lang din, Zamora Street. Ayan, tuta tayo sa Zamora Street. Halatang nasa USA na kami! Yay! We reach Mater, what's the name? Church. Mater Dei. UK po. London po kami.
Hindi, doon na kayo magre-retard.
Opo naman.
Doon na ako. Pasado man ako na NCLEX, pero mas gusto
We're
ko doon.
going to outlet. Hello! Light it up like dynamite. Wala lang, masaya ako pumasok ako sa Macy. Kasi Dynamite yung song BTS. Dynamite. This is a Happy Halloween! Happy Halloween! Trick or treating in San Diego! Support! Purple pa yung ano niya, oh. May usok-usok pa siya. Trick or treat!
Pero querías más?
Hola!
Nagulat ako sa sound! Nagulat ako sa sound! Oh my God!
Ay, nakita natin kanina, Job.
You're so cute!
Yeah, so many. Sorry, sweetheart, we ran out of candy.
But you can pet the dog.
Ang bango niya.
Ang bango nga.
Ang bango ng dog-dog na to. That's the one kissing, ano?
Yeah, that's where we are going to meet them. We're walking in the seaport area of San Diego. That's the famous one. Kissing Navy and nurse. Ang tawag po nila, unconditional surrender statue. Tapos yan po yung parang war ship nila. I think active yan. Opo! SeaWorld San Diego!
Are you ready to meet some dolphins?
Yay!
Say hello to Coco! Melanie! So please enjoy this very special playtime with our pilot whales, Ava and Piper. Celebrate life and each other and enjoy the rest of your day here at SeaWorld San Diego.
We enjoy it! Kasi wala tayong binibigay na food. Nandang snack daw, sabi ni sir. Mag-meet tayo ng mga penguins. Ah, penguins! Ayun sila! Ay, tama ba? So this one, my friends, are the Magellanic penguins. So they live in hot or warm and dry places. I think it's like Australia and San Diego itself.
Penguins, more penguins.
Yes. Ayun o, mayabang yung isang yun o. Yung
So
isa
proud.
nagsiswimming.
Isa sunbathing.
Ayan, nagsiswimming yung isa o.
The orca lives in every corner of the ocean, from the Arctic to the Atlantic.
Ay! Wow! So big.
Open the door!
Yeah. Oh, yeah! Oh, nagana. Oh! Wow! Oh, so exciting! Wow! Wow! That was so loud. Girl, ano? Lumagap pa ka nun. Laki. Orca show.
measurements of the killer whales living here.
Oh my God, nakala ko slip touch na. I thought we are safe.
Tapos na.
Yeah! Observatory. Yun, nandito po tayo sa Coronado.
Yung malaki?
Carry. Anong tawag, kuya?
Aircraft carrier.
Aircraft carrier. SS Ronald Reagan.
Nimitz class, aircraft carrier.
Oh, that's the name. It's okay. Kasi may babagsakan ako. Ayan po.
Submarine base.
Submarine base.
Yan. Submarine base to, sub base.
Oh, wow. My God, is very rich in history. Diba? Wow! Welcome to San Diego! Enjoying it here. Thank you po sa host namin, si Kuya Larry and si Ate Tia. Thank you. Yan parang green po na, yan yung green na parang may uniformity ng white. Yan po yung, yan po naka, that's where the Second World War soldiers are being buried. Thank you for your service.
Manting talaga.
My God, wow. Rest in peace po. Coronado Beach. Yes. Hi. Yan po, gagala tayo dito.
Nag-edit pa. Kasi boring pagka masyadong long na yung daming daldal.
Ito talaga kami.
Oh my goodness, sir.
Yan, mga gray ship, mga navy yan.
Oh, Korean! Na-excite tuloy ako. Korean Navy.
Destroyer.
Oh, destroyer. Oh, wow. Hala, ang laki. So big. Welcome to Vegas. Nandito na po kami sa Las Vegas. Papi, I miss you.
Punta na.
May paiyak-iyak pa eh.
Kalain ka pa matyago sa aeroplano pagbagsak. Kalain ako matyago.
Kangin pa eh.
Gani, grabe ka mo na.
Saan si Dana?
Question.
Ha?
Wow! Welcome to Las Vegas! Woohoo! Waiter, do not touch daw. Do not touch. Ay, Jungkook. Jungkook?
Ha?
Jungkook. Bunso kong kapatid. Butchokoy. Ay, ang pogi. Ang ultimate cook namin na si Oliver. Hi guys! Welcome to our channel. Like and subscribe. Click the notification button down below. Las Vegas! BTS. Pwede baberun baberunde. Gusto niyo yung sound. Ooh! Wow! Wow! Grabe! Wow! That's too high! Dadaan lang po kami for today's video. Like and subscribe! Hindi ka kita ganyan. Oh my God. Yan, ang dami na. Nagbaboy pa, oh. Welcome to Hell's Kitchen. Caesar's Palace. Welcome to Caesar's Palace. Tingin kayo.
There's a different way.
A different way ba? Sabi niya. Here tayo.
talaga,
So
Joby,
for,
paano?
for today's video, nandito po tayo sa Hobart Dam.
Nagpa-vlog si Joby.
Ayan po. Welcome po. Oh, lamig, baby.
Lamig.
We're going to the visitor center. Oh. That's Hobart Dam. What is down there? Oh, wow. Hindi ko nakikita. Sunset na.
Hi, Job.
Hi! Pilipino po kayo? No habla English?
No habla English.
No habla. Eh?
Entiende.
Hehe. Gal lifts and graphs. Oh, please. Oh, hawakan, please. Red cannon. We arrive at Red Cannon. This is the White Cannon, I think. Climbing. Anyan po sila. Ayun. Hindi ko na po
Hi, Oli. Bye, Oli. See you soon again.
See you soon. Kulit na Benben at mahiyaing Marcos. Jinkai, see you soon.
Bye-bye, Ben.
Bye-bye. We love you all.